Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. It is so good to see you here today. I wanted to do a very short review today of some candles that were gifted to me, but before we get into that, my name is Ranita. I like to get into makeup related content, and today we're going to be doing lifestyle, which is also a feature on the channel. So today I'm going to be featuring these 4 beautiful candles by T H, and they are just so wonderful. So I was actually gifted 4, and I wanted to kind of unbox and kind of just show you what I received. So I have them on my table right now, and I'm going to kind of go through each one and give you my thoughts on it. First one is this. This is the scented candle. It's a lychee, guava, and sandalwood. Now I was really interested in this. I have received candles from T H before, and I really love them. So this one is they give you the fragrance note. So first of all, let's just look at the packaging. It's really pretty. I love the packaging, and honestly, I'm smelling the box right now and I can smell guava, and guava is one of my favorite fruits. So honestly, when I heard that this was available, I really wanted to try it, and I was so excited about it. And I love sandalwood because my mom, it's a very familiar Indian scent. You get these sandalwood sachets that you can throw into your clothes. You can throw it into any cupboard, and basically it releases a very strong smell, but it keeps your clothes smelling really good. And I used to do that all the time because my mom would buy those sachets, and we would put them into all of the cupboards and the closets, and everything would just smell amazing, and my clothes would be smelling so good too. So when I saw sandalwood, I obviously wanted to try this one out. So yeah, I love the packaging. Now the way these candles were wrapped, they come with like extra foam and extra packaging. There's no way that this can break at all. I'm just going to grab some of the packaging just so you can see. This is the actual packaging. It is so secure. It's really thick, and it really protects the candle very well. So if you were planning to get this product from them, I don't think you need to worry about the packaging at all, because just look at this. It fits perfectly, and your candle is really well insulated and protected. So you can even send these as gifts. In fact, that's what a lot of people actually do with candles, and I think it's a nice idea. Sometimes if you want to show someone that you love them candles, why not? It's a lovely thing. So here we've got lychee, guava, sandalwood, mandarin, rose, and musk essential oils. I'm going to open this and show you what the candle is like. So the first thing I get when I open up the box is this. It says aromatherapy gift for you, so you can actually write a message here and send this to someone if that's what you wanted. And I really like that extra touch. You don't have to buy another card and insert it in. So I thought this was a really nice touch by T H. So here it's they even give you the candle care tips, so you are free to pause the video over here and just kind of read through all of this if that's what you so choose to do. But this candle smells absolutely amazing. Now, this is the first one. Look at the packaging. This is really nice. I like the colors of this too. I think it smells, oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I can also smell the lychee here, and I can't wait to actually burn this. It really smells amazing. And it's a 3-wick candle, so you obviously want to watch this, whenever you're lighting a candle. Don't just light it and go away, which is something that I tend to do. But so far, this smells amazing, and I absolutely love this. It really smells so freaking good. I love the fact that they did lychee and, guava and sandalwood. I think I'm going to be using this tonight. This is the next candle which I've been sent. So this is coconut orange blossom, and again you can see the packaging is so pretty. It just looks really wonderful. I really do like this. So these are the scents. It says the top is lemon, orange, and apple, mid is rose, jasmine, orange flower, and coconut, and the base is musk, cedarwood, and patchouli. This sounds like a very relaxing scent, and I got this for my husband because he really loves coconut, anything coconut, and he's there. So oh, it smells wonderful. It actually reminds me of a trip that I took with him, and I think I may have actually tried this scent before and forgotten about it, but I smelled this, and the first thing I thought about was that holiday trip that I took with him to this lake. And I love the way that smells can remind us of places. So this is a similar design to the previous one that I showed you. It is a 3-wick candle. It smells absolutely amazing. It really, really does. It is so, so relaxing. I love aromatherapy candles, and you know, even with my body, and even when it comes to looking after my skin and my body, I actually use a lot of aromatherapy things like that. You know, Bath and Body Works, they have this whole aromatherapy range, and you know, we buy a lot of those and we actually use them because we just like them so much. And then I've also tried like essential oils from Young Living, and from, what was the other one called? I can't remember, but like they come with all these really cute colorful bottles, and I've tried those and I really like those too. So because my husband is a massage therapist, essential oils are quite a big part of our lives. So honestly, being able to try these candles as well, that's something I really like. Okay, so this is the next one. We've got eucalyptus spearmint. I was very interested in this, mostly because sometimes, you know, my nose can get very, very bad. You know, I have chronic rhinitis, which means I'm sick every single day, and some days it's better, some days it's worse. If it's very, very cold, I really do suffer. So when I saw eucalyptus and spearmint, which I know is, you know, it's been good for my nose, I wanted to get this one as well. So this clears, it says it clears the mind, while spearmint uplifts. Oh, look at this. It's such a pretty color. So the thing I really like about the size of these candles is also, like, I think I could actually grow something in this or repurpose it. Like I would be able to use this for like my jewelry. I could use it to just store a few things if I was going traveling. So I like the size of these as well, and I really like the colors. I feel like they're so vibrant and they add to the experience. This smells very, very nice, very medicinal. This reminds me of being in a spa and just having a very, very relaxing environment, which I really do like. And I'm actually really excited to light this one as well. But I think it smells absolutely amazing, and yeah, I just feel really happy that T&H actually sent me these candles because I think they smell fantastic. Last but not least, we have this over here. This is sage, lavender, and cedarwood. Now, my grandma absolutely loved lavender, and whenever I see lavender, I always think of her. So this over here, the top scents are lemon, orange, clove, and then the middle is lavender, eucalyptus, and sage, and the base is cedarwood and vanilla. Yeah, I actually ordered this mostly because I was thinking of my grandma, and I thought, yeah, you know, why not? I like the smell of lavender. I feel like it's very, very nice, and I've used it, you know, on my pillow and stuff, but in the form of an essential oil. You get that very strong smell of, it's kind of like, it's not like the pure lavender scent because I know what lavender smells like, but you can kind of smell everything else that they've actually put in here too. And it is very, very pleasant. It really is. And I like that the color is purple. It's just, you know, true to lavender. Right, so anyway, thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I hope that you had fun looking at the candles that I got. Now, if you are interested in picking up T&H candles, I'll put some links in the description box in the comments so that you can just go and click that, and you know, you can go and get these candles for yourself. I personally really like T&H. I always have. I've used their candles for years now. I think that they're very good quality candles as well. So if you want to know any extra information, I would say, you know, just reach out to T&H. They have an Instagram. You can go and do that. And one thing I should mention is that these are handmade with natural soy wax and essential oils. So all of these candles that you just saw are that. My favorite from this was the eucalyptus and the spearmint and the lychee guava and the sandalwood. I really, really love those because I felt like it just kind of transported me and made me think of certain things, and I like that smells can do that. The orange one was also really nice because it reminded me of a holiday that I took with my husband. But it's kind of like, you know, each smell can be really nice for like a different occasion and a different mood, and I think that's what I like about that. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I will see you soon for another video, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye bye.